Hello everyone, this is Coach Gerald. Isa po tayong second year mechanical engineering student, kargador, naging tendero. But because of HDS, grabe kasi right now, bibilhin na naman po natin our first ever brand new car which is worth 1.6 million pesos lang naman. Kaya sa lahat po ng mag-watch ng video, message nyo po kagad yung nag-send po sa inyo ng video na to para po ikaw na po yung susunod. Be part and be the next.
Another Katas HDS. Great day everyone! I'm Hilda sa Bakahan Busha and ngayon, kaka-release last week, meron naman nag-release ng ating Ford Raptor and ngayon, another car release. Isang estudyante all the way from Cebu. Ngayon, bibili na kanyang sasakyan cash na cash. Be the next!
Ay, complete address.
Congratulations to our newest Ranger Wildcat owner!
Be the next!